Hi everyone, it's Jo here from Agile 42. Welcome to my remote office. Here you go, you can have a little short view. I want to chat a little bit about how some of the Agile practices can really help with remote teams. At Agile 42, we've been remote for quite a long time, and we've used Kanban and Trello to help us keep track of our work. So creating backlogs of work for ourselves and visibility, and then we spend some time both weekly and daily going through what's on our board, who's busy with what's next, changing the priorities, all of that kind of thing. But it really helps to have the boards. It helps to create visibility of where all the work is. It helps to have the feedback loops for when are we going to talk about the work, and it helps us to see what's getting done and where things are. So yeah, so that's just a short little tip about what we do and how we use some of our own Agile practices to help us as a remote team. I hope you're all keeping safe out there, and I hope to see you, some of you in person somewhere soon. Sending you lots of hugs and saying, hope you look after yourselves and stay safe. Okay, bye.
Hi there, I'm Mariet, an Agile coach at Agile 42. I'd like to share with you what I think is one of the most critical parts of working remotely, and that is to take care of yourself. If you're finding yourself working longer hours or working longer consecutive periods of time, then I'm here to tell you you're not alone. I'm in the same boat, and maybe many more. So here's what helps me. 1, setting clear boundaries. When am I working? When am I not? Being explicit about start and end times. And 2, building in explicit breaks between meetings and/or sessions. Take a walk, go grab a water, grab a coffee, go outside for a breath of fresh air. But take that moment. I hope this helps you as much as it does me. Stay safe.
Hi, it's Rochelle from Agile 42 here. I'm going to talk about the benefits of working remotely. Having your PJs as your new work uniform, pitching up with your most comfy slippers, or even avoiding that dreadful commute. Remote employees have so much more freedom, more flexibility around their own time management. Now, with that said, there might be some blurred lines between work and home life, so maintaining a healthy work-life balance should always be top of mind. From an employer's point of view, companies can save money by cutting down on operational costs and become more competitive by tapping into a larger pool of talent. Remember to experiment with different tools and technologies that can help you on this journey. The concept of working from anywhere at any time is indeed the future state of work. If you are planning on working in your PJs, please remember to keep an eye out on your video. Thanks for listening, and please stay safe.